Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another Etsy tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that has happened to me before, and I know a lot of Etsy sellers in my Facebook group has also mentioned that it has happened to them, and is basically filing a notice for trademark infringement when it happens to you as an Etsy seller. So I'm going to show you where to report infringement on Etsy. And what I mean by report infringement is basically if you see someone else on Etsy that is selling a design that's exactly like yours, maybe they're taking also your verbatim, and they're also taking your photos, you could actually file a notice of infringement. It could be based on intellectual property, which is basically they're selling similar products like yours, or almost not similar, but exact products like yours. Or you could do a copyright infringement of, like, let's say a trademark. If you have something trademark like a phrase, or maybe you have a picture trademark and they're using it as well, you're able to go ahead and file a notice of infringement. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If this is your first time visiting my Etsy channel and you are new on Etsy, or maybe you're thinking of opening an Etsy store, this is the channel to be. I upload weekly videos about Etsy, about topics like this one, and also how to build a thriving Etsy business. So make sure that you click on that subscribe button today. So let's go ahead and get started. So unfortunately, I hope that you guys don't, get someone that went and copy your listings. This has happened to me. And ever since I started doing my Etsy YouTube channel, and I started doing a lot of videos on my Instagram and Facebook, I was sharing my personal accounts from Etsy. And unfortunately, I had three incidents with three people actually took photos from my Etsy shop. They took also word by word. They even had my name on their listing description by mistake, because they didn't read. They just copy and pasted on their listing. And it's unfortunate, right, that this happens, especially when I created a Etsy channel to help other Etsy sellers, not for them to, or for these individuals, right, to go and copy my listing word by word, steal my photos, steal my work. So I'm very cautious now of giving out um, my accounts, because I have 6 Etsy shops. I'm very cautious of it now because it has happened to me before. And I'm sorry that if you're listening to this video and this has happened to you, or is happening to you at this moment, I know how you feel, and I hope that this video helps you out today. So all you have to do is that if you need to report someone, what you want to do is on your main page of Etsy, once you log in, you want to go on the bottom, and what you want to do is click on Help Center, visit the Help Center. When you go to the Help Center, you're going to get a lot of different things that you could do. What you want to do is click on Contacting Etsy. And from here, it's going to give you a list of different things that you could do. So what you want to do is click on File a Notice for Trademark Infringement. Now, you could go ahead and read their policy if you need to. And it just basically says, if you feel like someone is infringing on your trademark or infringing on your intellectual property, that you could go ahead and make a report. So all you will have to do is click on Etsy's intellectual property policy. And from here, you have 3 different options to do. So you could report an infringement on Etsy. You could counter an infringement. So if someone said that you copy them and you're like, no, I didn't, this is like, I have the right to sell this, you can actually submit a DMCA counter notice that will go ahead and help you remove that strike against your store with that infringement and proof that you are able to sell. And then you could also withdraw a notification on infringement that you have submitted. So if you want to, maybe you worked it out with with that other person, the other shop. Maybe you guys had like an exit conversation and they decided, okay, I'll take it down. You could click here to remove it as well. But what you want to do today, if you have to report one, you will click on report infringement on Etsy. From here, you basically have to begin the report. Um, just make sure that you read everything. Pick the one that is the best for your category. So you allege that the content on Etsy violates intellectual property, that, and then you pick the one that you own the rights, a third party. So let's say you own the rights. And then you begin the report. From here on, I'm not going to click on it because I don't have one right now to do. But this is how you would do it to go ahead and report infringement on Etsy. So I hope that this video helps you out to get some peace. It does take quite a while for the legal team to read it, but the nice thing is that automatically when they get it, the notification is sent to the store and the Etsy listing is put down. The process can take quite a bit for you to get a response back from Etsy with what's taken care of. So just keep that in mind. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you have any questions about intellectual property infringement or trademark infringement, leave them below on the comment area. I will be more happy to answer to you as much as I can on this topic. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you.